If you'll please join me, remove your hats, cover your heart as we raise Old Glory to recognize those folks that are serving before, here and abroad, the lives lost on that day and after, and again for our great nation. Thank you so much, and without further ado, the Air Force instrumental. God bless the USA, and thank you so much. And again, Truck 71, Engine 71, our firefighters, our police officers, and our military, thank you so much for your service and all you do to keep this great nation safe. God bless you, each and every one of you. Be safe, and thanks again, folks. You are at the 2021 Cruising with the Cops right here in Gresham, Oregon. Tell your friends there's still time to register their cars, see the wonderful volunteers at the group, the Associated Fords of the 50s, and don't forget to visit the vendors. Again, thank you to our firefighters, thank you to our military, thank you to our police officers. This event is sponsored solely by the Gresham Police Officer Association. Thank you everybody in attendance, and thank you again to those who responded to our request. Thank you so much.